If you think about what drives international trade in this world, it's the maritime and logistics industry. The transport services, the related logistics services, warehousing, distribution, and so on and so forth. AMC was one of the first ones to observe the traditional shipping companies were suddenly becoming more of logistics service providers because that's where the demand was. And that is why we attract so many international students.
I think it's once in a lifetime opportunity for them. The possibility to engage with industry here, to find their career paths after they finish school.
It will be a ticket for global job opportunities. I think that in the future I will be managing some logistic company or some sort of supply chain management scenarios, and I think that I will prosper in the future.
There is a unique combination in our degrees of general business knowledge and skills together with very industry-specific knowledge and skills.
They actually ensure that the things that they are taught to the students are relevant, so that what we learn will be able to be useful for us when we actually step out in the working society.
We're very keen to make sure that our course is really industry relevant. We're up to date with the latest thinking in industry, with the latest requirements of industry. So we have an industry liaison committee, for example, that studies our course and looks at the content and gives us advice on future directions. So we have that sort of industry input into it. Most of our lecturers have got industry experience in shipping and logistics, but we've also got a very international staff. So we're very proud of our international approach to our course, and we think that's one of the things that makes us distinctive.
With any business or management career, the career starts with networking. And here we attract such a large number of students from different countries. In a class of 60 on-campus students, you might have 20 nationalities. So these students, they are potentially sitting and networking with the potential captains of the industry, but not just within their own country, but the ones, these would be the movers and shakers in Malaysia, in Japan, in China, South Korea, India, Australia, and so on.
They're coming to a very unique place, to a place that is very positive. They will be supported and they'll be encouraged to get better and better and better. They have the opportunity to travel and to see things that you will never see in other places.
The way this university is built up and the teaching staff, it's really recommended. I must say highly recommended.